Hey everybody, it's your girl Lakesha Monique coming back at you with another short, just a quick unboxing. Had to go through a little something just to get my box from UPS. They got on my nerves. But just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. And yeah, I appreciate each and every one of you. So I'm going to show you what I got. This is just one of quite a few. All right, I've been waiting for this one. I don't know why it's so late. I'm trying to open it. I'm gonna find me something different to open these boxes with because, Lord, the way they put this tape on here. And what happens is they tape it, and then when it gets to customs, you know customs have to go through your box. So they open it up, and then they look to make sure everything is good, and then they retape it as well. So I had to get some more graduation stoves. This is not all of them. This is just some of them in this box. So I just, grabbed some more real quick with this box. So like I said, I'm still waiting for the rest. So, yeah. Just going to take out what's there. I got some other goodies, which I couldn't wait to get these. This is why I'm mad, because I didn't get them on time, the way that I wanted them. Oh, ain't that nice? They gave me a free hat so I can sublimate on it. Okay, so we'll be doing this. I didn't even ask. That's just something that they sent, which is I'm grateful for. All right, so I'm going to show you. Oh, can I take these out? Hold on, let me see. Let's see. I don't want to take them all out. Oops. Tell you, this tape. Sometimes I like to know where they get their tape from, because as y'all can hear, it's all right. This is dang. I'm sorry, but this, like I said, this one right here. This is a quick unboxing. I'm still waiting for everything to come in. As always, some things take way longer than others. I should have took this out the box already, but then it's not a real unboxing, right? So, I'm just trying to get one out so I can put it down and I can show y'all. Ouch. That's not good. And I'm trying to be careful so I don't break anything. Because as you know, MDF is real. Uh-oh, hold on. Am I missing something? Oh, okay. MDF is real sensitive, because I've broken something before when I did it. Sorry. When I sublimated and everything like that, I broke one before, but I was able to put it back together. So that was the good thing. But MDF wood, yeah, it's real sensitive at times, depending on what you're doing and everything like that. So, yeah, you really have to be careful. All right, so that's all I'm doing. I'm just being very, very careful with what I'm taking out. Okay? Hold on. I'm going to put this down, because I can't find what I'm looking for. Oh, I think I did. All right. So I got this just so we can have some fun, do some stuff. All right, so first things first. So I got I Love You to Pieces. See? And I'm going to sublimate this. This is like the I Love You rose, but this is I Love You to Pieces for April Autism Month. But for me, it's every day. Like I always say, my son has autism, Tourette syndrome, and ADHD. But I'm going to do this one just for him. And he can put it in his room. Okay? And of course, like I said, graduation stole. This is like 60 inches. So I'll put these back on the website because the last one sold out. Somebody bought all of them. All the rest that was left. Then I have the sublimation pens and the shrink wrap that goes with it. So you're just taking it apart. Make sure you keep it together. You know, your spring and everything. This comes out. So you're sublimating this. I do not know the measurements right now because I just got it. And once you sublimate it, you just put it back together. Put your pen piece back in, just like we used to do. And take the top and screw it back on. Then you will have a sublimated pen. And you can actually like stick something right here, like your phone. You holding it up or something like that. You know. Anyway, but it does come with the shrink wrap for the pen, okay? So these are going on the website as well, so you can have some fun with that. You can make them, give them to your customers, stuff like that. And then we have the graduation cap stand. Well, it's a cap stand. So once you take the film off of both pieces, take the film off of here and the film off of here so you can sublimate it. And, well, I can't put it down because then you won't see it. And you just stand it. Okay? So that's what that is. All right. So like I said, this was just a quick unboxing that I got. The I Love You to Pieces. I wish these would have came in earlier. I had plenty of people that wanted this, but nobody could find them. But I found them. But these will be on the website, and I still have the I still have roses on the website. I don't have the in memory rose. I don't have that one, so I'm still waiting on that as well. I guess that'll be in the next batch that comes in. But I Love You to Pieces. I have those graduation stoles, sublimation pens. I feel like I'm missing something. I am missing something. And I got to figure it out now. There's something else that should have been in this box, but I'm not going to worry about that right now because at least I got the box. But if you're interested in the sublimation hats, let me know. Like I said, they just sent this to me. So I'll sublimate something on it. I don't know what yet, but I will. And I'll show you. When I do the next video, I will be sublimating on these, on the pen, and on this. All right. Hopefully the graduation stole. I have to get a template for that. But thank y'all all for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate your time. And everybody, thank you again. The website, everything will be linked below for the website, for the Facebook group to join. You can just go on there and join. It's not a problem. Let people know what you sell, you know, what you make. Where do you sell it at? Is it Etsy? Do you do Facebook? Do you do Instagram or Pinterest? You know, make your crafts. Post your crafts. Let them know where to find you, okay? Just no copyright. Don't sell the copyright in the group. That's the only thing that I ask. Otherwise than that, have fun, post away. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye.